Hello and welcome to this channel Technical Routes. So from today's title you have already understood that the content will be how to make cover videos using PixelFlow app. So just before going into the main video, just I'm explaining you what is PixelFlow. So PixelFlow is an app that is being offered by Google. So you can make cover videos for any kind of social platforms like Twitter or YouTube. You can upload them there. So you can upload the cover videos there, so using this app. So now there are two parts of this PixelFlow app. You can get a PixelFlow normal app from Play Store. I will show that to you, and you can also get a PixelFlow Pro app from any other websites also. So without any further delay, let's begin this video. So just firstly I am showing you the step by step process of how to make cover videos. Firstly, just tap search Play Store and go to Play Store. Just go for PixelFlow, tapped on it already, and you can see the PixelFlow app has already been installed on my phone. So just open it. After opening it, do the same. Just after opening it, just tap on play. So now you can see that I have the PixelFlow Pro version on my phone. So what I told in the beginning, that there's two parts of PixelFlow app, normal app, and the second one is PixelFlow Pro app. So in that case, in case of PixelFlow normal app, where you can get limited amount of cover videos to make. However, in case of PixelFlow Pro app, you can get unlimited cover videos to make for uploading on social platforms. So I will suggest you to download PixelFlow Pro app from any one of the website. However, don't worry, I will give the link on the in the description box, so you can tap on the link and go for download option, and you can easily download this app. So now going to the main part, how to make cover video using this app. So just now you can see this is the layout of this app, and you can see there is some tabs called general, minimal design, technologies, celebration, greetings, gaming, solid, gradient, cooking, education, sports, health and fitness, fashion and motivation. So now let's consider that your channel is a motivational channel and you upload motivational videos. So you can easily tap on this any one of these videos, just go for it, and you can make cover videos using this. So however, I am just giving an example that your channel is a gaming channel and you upload gaming videos. So just go for the gaming tab. So yeah, that's the gaming tab. So just tap on this video. So I'm tapping on that video, and now go for use. So I've used. So now you can see the video is downloading. No problem, just cancel it. It will get downloaded in your background automatically. There will be no problem. So now just go for there. You can see there's options like play, export. So play, we can tap on play, and you can see how your cover video will be like. So just it will be like this. This is the layout of your cover video. So now just go for text. So this you can suppose your channel's name is Gaming Brother. So just you have to type there on here it's gaming. You type there on gaming, and you can tap on the down arrow. There will be three options. The first one, you can also apply for the underline letter, no problem, and you can go for the second one. That's a change of the color. You can change it to red, blue, yellow. Different types of colors are there. I'm keeping it white for a time being. And this is an I button. Just when you tap on the I button, there will be a cross on it, which means that the letter the letter has been invisible, while if you untap it, it will be again visible. So that's no problem. You now tap on the second one. As your channel's name is Gaming Brother, so just writing brother here, tapping on the download, the same thing is happened. However, you can see there's a color here is now orange, so you can change it to different colors also. And if you tap on this I button, obviously you can see that it will be invisible, and if you untap it, it will be getting visible. The same thing is happening that has happened before. So now you can see there are also other options which are called change size and position. You can easily change it according to yourself. You can increase it or you can decrease it, depending on your choice. So now there's an option called background. So there's an option called background where you can see there are various background types: dynamic, video, image, solid and gradient. So here what you can choose any file from internal storage. Maybe it may be a video or an image, and you can just paste on the background. It will be automatically done, and your image or video will be at the background, and your title will be at the front, just like this. So and the layout will be the same, and the video type will be the same. So you can also download from the library that is being present here. You can tap on it and you can easily do it. So just after doing this, this is an export option where you tap on the export option. There will be three parts: 540p, 720p and 1080p. I will suggest you to export the video on 540p, because whenever you upload the cover video along with your whole video on YouTube, it will be rendered in 480p quality. So just tapping on it, export is the option where you can export your file, your cover video in your internal storage, and it will be done completely. So already it is exporting. It's taking a bit time. It will take a bit time, it will not take much time. It's very easy to use and very safe to use and very convenient to use. So already it is being done. The video has been saved. Now you can open the video and check it's done or not. It will be done, and it's very easy. So these are the simple and easiest steps to make our videos using Pixelflow app, and I will suggest you to go for Pixelflow Pro. The link will be in the description. Go for it, download it, and just make cover videos to upload on any of the social platforms. Right? Sorry. So, so today's content was till that. Hope you have understood the whole thing, the step-by-step process. So we'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, obviously, keep smiling and keep enjoying, and hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.